Are you excited to make a tteokbokki? Yes. Are you hungry? Why did you volunteer to make tteokbokki?
Because I like to eat Korean food. I want to learn to make Korean food and do it at home.
I want to share it with my friends.
Actually, we love tteokbokki and we eat it like whenever we're in a Korean restaurant. That's why we wanted to volunteer so we can try it out ourselves.
Just like others, I love tteokbokki, and being able to make it myself at home excites me.
I personally like watching YouTube videos about making Korean food, so I thought it would be great to learn how to actually make one myself. That's why I volunteered.
Okay, we have the onion, green onion or the scallion. The paper, the powder, mix. Already mixed.
Fish cake 줄게요. 양파. 너무 많아서 양배추. So how did you feel after making tteokbokki by yourself?
After making tteokbokki, I feel that I want to cook it at home and I want my family to taste it as well.
Somehow satisfied since I've made a Korean street food.
I feel happy because I get to experience cooking Korean cuisine directly with Sansimnim and Moksanim.
I feel great because I learned how to cook Korean street food. And I think I can cook alone in my home.
너무 행복해. I'm very happy that I learned Korean street food, and it's so easy to make because there's so many Korean stores around us.
진짜 완전 대박 리얼 헐 짱이다. It was fun and it was easy to make, and I enjoyed making tteokbokki with the sunset names.
Now that you know on how to cook tteokbokki, do you think you can cook tteokbokki at home?
Yes, because I love to cook.
Of course, and I will cook with love for my friends and family.
Yes, I think so because of how it is easy to cook.
And I think that my parents or my siblings will enjoy.
Very delicious.